Last question. During the school year, John used 15 pencils, Mark used 12 pencils, and Jamie used 11 pencils. Which representation shows you how to find the total number of pencils that all three students used during the school year? Well, let's make a strip diagram. John used 15 pencils. That's important to know. Mark used 12 pencils, and Jamie used 11 pencils. I want to find the total number of pencils that all three students used during the school year. So if I want to find the total that all three of them used, I don't have a total. I want to find the total. But I do have my parts. John used 15. Mark used 12. And Jamie used 11. Well, look, you already have one representation here. We don't have to solve this problem, okay? We already have one representation here. So, let's look at this. This would be 10 pencils plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. 10 pencils plus 2 is 12. 10 pencils plus 1 is 11. That works. 15 pencils. This goes to 10 to 15. That works. That's plus 15. So 15 plus 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only plus 10 more. Well, I don't have a 10 here at all, so I know that that one can't work. I just jumped from this arrow to this arrow, and then I did little bunny hops to where the next arrow stops. Okay, and that was only plus 10. Plus 10 I don't have as an option here, so that can't be your answer at all. And then look at letter C. We created our strip diagram. Our strip diagram looks nothing like this. This is telling me that 12 pencils plus 11 pencils is going to be the same amount as 15 pencils plus something. Well, that doesn't work, and we know it's not D because we have a representation. Letter A is your answer. All right, you completed your reteach. Please make sure you are submitting your work to Mrs. Garza.